If there's one thing that could cause a war between United States and China, it is Taiwan.
Right now, the global economy depends on one small island most people can't even point to on a map. If something happens there, your phone, your car, your AI tools, even the military systems could be affected overnight. That island is Taiwan, and it may be the most important place on Earth. Taiwan isn't powerful because of its size, it's powerful because of one industry: advanced semiconductors. Modern life runs on chips, smartphones, cars, cloud computing, AI, and defense systems. And Taiwan produces the majority of the world's most advanced chips, not basic chips, the cutting edge ones. At the center of this is one company, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC. TSMC manufactures chips for companies like Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm. The United States designs many chips, China manufactures many products, but Taiwan manufactures the most advanced chips in existence. If TSMC stops, global production slows, tech companies stalls, markets react instantly. Both the United States and China understands this reality. Taiwan isn't just political, it's strategical infrastructure. Control over advanced chip production means influence over technology, military capabilities, artificial intelligence, and economic leverage. That's why Taiwan sits at the center of the global tension. Not because of emotion, because of systems. As geopolitical analyst Kishore Mahbubani often explains, global power shifts aren't just about ideology. They're about structural advantages. And right now, Taiwan holds one of the biggest structural advantages in the world. Taiwan may look small on a map, but in today's world, it might be the most important island on Earth. So, what do you think? Is Taiwan truly the center of the global tech system? Comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, subscribe, also hit that notification bell for more vlogs. Thank you for watching. Peace.